So this is Outdoor Gear Guy. I'm about to unbox the Nitecore NU25. So here's what it looks like when you first pull it out of the box. As you can see, the headlamp does not come fully assembled. You have to do that yourself. So to assemble the headlamp, the first thing you're going to need to do is undo these clips here. Okay, both clips are undone. The next thing you're going to want to do is put the logo face down and the yellow side up. Okay. And we're going to clip. And we're going to clip. Okay. And you can see this is how it looks now. I do enjoy how the clips have a satisfying clack to them. Hear that nice clack? Now let me put this on my head and see how this feels. I do like the weight. Now I'm gonna have to adjust the headband in the back here to get it to the right length. You see it's got this draw cord here. I'm gonna have to press this down and slide this and make it smaller to fit my head better. So what I'm gonna do to make this tighter is this middle part needs to come out more. You're gonna wanna press this button here so that this middle part here can slide out. Now let's retry and see if it gives a better fit on my head. And yes, that is the sweet spot. It feels nice and light, but it also feels more secure than the Petzl and other headlamps I have, such as the Energizer one. Now I'm very pleased to see that the manufacturers at Nitecore decided to send this charged already. So let's cycle through the modes here. Okay, you have a double red, a double white, a white, and another white. So the manufacturer's book here says you have a spotlight, a floodlight, a red light, and a beacon. And I'll let you know more later which are which. The manufacturer's book here says that the 400 lumen light can last 2 hours and 40 minutes. The mid light can last of 200 lumens can last 4 hours and 40 minutes. The low light of 60 lumens can last 10 hours and 25 minutes. And the 200 lumen mid floodlight can last 4 hours and 15 minutes. The 60 lumen low floodlight can last 10 hours. The ultra low floodlight at 6 lumens can last 45 hours. And then the constantly on red light of 10 lumens can last for 16 hours. Also, it does not give a battery life indicator for the SOS, which is 400 lumens, or a battery indicator of how long the beacon at 400 lumens will last. All in all, I'm very pleased with my purchase, and I look forward to telling you more about it in the future.